grab a pen and paper as I show you the most easiest way to make a varsity pocket. Trust me, you only need to watch this video once. You don't need to come back to this video every single time you want to make a varsity pocket. All you need is to refer back to the notes you are going to be taking from this video. You just need to jot down the inches I used for everything. For the cutting and sewing process of this varsity jacket, I linked it in the comment section. From the down part, I'm going to go up by 3 inches. On that mark, I'm going to come in by 2 inches. For the width of the pocket, I am using 4.5 inches. On that point, I come in by 3.5 inches. Now the pocket is expected to be slanted, and I will extend the line of my width at the top part and at the down part like so. Using the same inches I used to mark this out, I repeated the same process on the wrong side and I added stay. The stay is to avoid any stretch that could give you excess. Next, we are going to need 2 bands of length 6 inches. One of the bands should be ironed on fold, the other should be left opened like this. I also iron stay to the band to avoid any stretching that would give excesses. The width of this band is 2 inches wide. Using the folded band, we are placing it here so that after sewing it goes like this. Next, you are going to place it on your marked line like this, and you mark the width of your pocket on the band. You pin it up, and while you sew, do not exceed the width of your pocket. You sew it down with 0.3 inches. Place the open fold wrong side facing it like this. Then you are going to fold in the folded band onto it like this. Okay, if your fold is not relaxing very well, you can iron it down, or just fold it and hold it down. Then you are going to use chalk and mark out where this fold meets with the other one. It's very simple. Just mark out where the fold meets with the other band and you pin it up, and you also mark your pocket width on it. Then you go ahead to sew. Do not exceed your pocket width when you sew. After sewing it down, you flip it to the other side and you start from the tip of a line and you make a V inward. This V should go in like about half of an inch. You do the same thing for the other end. From the tip of each stitch, you make a V that goes in by half of an inch like this. Okay, next I'll flip this to the right side and I'll clip it. After clipping this, you flip it back to the wrong side and you are going to cut. When you cut and you get to the V point, you follow your slant and you stop exactly on the tip of your sewn stitch. Do the same thing for the other end. You stop exactly at the tip of your sewn stitch. Do not exceed that point and do not cut into your stitch. Flip it to the right side and you tuck it in as you see me do. So you just take your time and arrange it as you can see me doing. After you arrange it like this, you go ahead to iron it down. So this is how flat it should look after you have ironed it down. Next, you are going to flip this to the side and that V will be giving you this shape. You top stitch on it. Then you do the same thing for the second side. That tiny V shape, you are going to sew following the ironing crease line as a guide. So this is what it looks like after sewing that shape on the side. Our pocket is already given. Next, we are going to be adding the pocket bag. You are going to slightly open the stitch by half of an, not up to half inch, let's say 0.3 inch. Just open it a bit like this on the both corners. You take your pocket bag and you hold one side, you sew it down. You take the second side and you place it on the upper part and you also sew it down. After sewing it down, you have two like this. Okay, you place the both of them together and you just make a U-shaped stitch and you cut out any excess you have. The length of this pocket bag is 6.5. It's not expected to be too long so that you can easily tuck it into the finishing of the front part. A well-detailed tutorial on how you can finish the neckline and finish your varsity jacket neatly is on our YouTube channel. See you in the next one.